I'm gonna remove the audio, like I'm gonna put all letters and everything, and then remove the audio. So I'm going to, I'm going to take a screenshot of every single room, just cause. Oh, okay, well, how am I supposed to say that? Watch me scan. Okay. I don't know why they said watch me scan, but that's a bit weird. So we're all probably gonna vote Skip, but I don't know. Everyone's probably gonna vote her. So a lot of imposters do that. They kill someone and then blame it on someone else. Which I feel like they'd blame it on me because I've literally been the only other person who's chatted other than Purple, but Purple's only chatted once. Watch me scan. Oh, I not vote. Wait, what do you mean? If you don't vote, how am I supposed to watch you scan? So like, okay, I'm trying to take a screenshot of every room. I probably do not need to, but I'm doing it for you guys when I do the Among Us thing. I'm going to do a Among Us game where it's like, I'm going to go the way. Okay, I have admin, so we're going to go to admin because I've not done any tasks so far and I should be doing tasks. Okay, we're going to take it out. 05085. There we go. Admin is done. What is this? Ah, the body. Wait, now that weird. I actually do not know where it was because if there's the body found, I saw. But I didn't. No, you did. Seriously, they vote me out. If they vote me out, I'm seriously done. I'm just because seriously, if they vote me out, they're freaking dumb. Dumb. They're freaking dumb. What freaking time? It's 6:30, so they're gonna be freaking done. They're freaking dumb. Yep. Oh my god, I got saved by Blue. If Blue did not vote Skip, I would have been dead. She's gonna kill me. Ah. Okay. So we have problems. 2 players, but I don't think neither of us are the killer. So let me continue my task. Because I am not the killer. And we're both not the killer. The killer left the game. Wait, is it the killer or did the rest just spawn away? Because I'm pretty sure there's 3 people. Wasn't there 3 people? I don't know, guys. You saw. Rewind if you saw. They're also gone now. But I need to go to admin to prime the shields. We're going to vent, so I should probably just be a bit faster. Okay, I need to go to radioreactor. But radioreactor is always where the imposter tries to go kill, because the thing is you get trapped in this little thing. Oh, she's already in there. I'm trying to escape. See, look, I'm trying to escape. Dang it, I was almost done. I'm gonna say, why'd you blame me? Admin. Because, think, I was an admin the whole time. So, I couldn't have possibly done it. So, why'd she admittedly blame me? Because that's kind of like... Wait, that's creepy. How do they all just randomly join? Like one single time. I'm gonna leave before they can start the game. Okay, that was it for today. That was a short map.